Hello everyone. Welcome to this English learning conversation. Today, we will talk about something almost everyone loves: movies.
Yes, movies. Movies make us laugh. Movies make us cry. Movies allow us to live many lives in one lifetime.
And through this topic, you will learn new vocabulary, new expressions, and natural English speaking style. Mira, tell me, do you like movies?
Yes, I love movies. I enjoy watching movies, especially at night, with snacks and a cozy blanket. You know, movies help me relax.
That sounds nice. So, what is your favorite movie of all time?
My favorite movie is Interstellar. It is emotional, it is exciting, and it makes me think deeply about life, time, and love.
Wow, that is a powerful movie. Why do you like it so much?
Because the story is beautiful, the music is magical, and every scene feels meaningful.
I agree. It is not just entertainment, it is an experience.
Now Arad, your turn. What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Three Idiots. It is funny, realistic, emotional, and inspiring.
Oh yes, that movie teaches that life is not a race. We should follow our passion.
Exactly. There is one line from the movie that I love: pursue excellence, and success will follow.
That line is powerful. It reminds me to not chase results, but to focus on improvement.
Mira, what kind of movies do you like? What genre?
I like science fiction, drama, sometimes thriller. What about you?
I like comedy, motivation movies, and sometimes action, but I don't like too much violence.
Same here. Movies should make us feel something good, not stressed.
Yes, movies are like food for the mind. We should choose carefully.
Arad, many people want to learn English. Do you think movies help?
Absolutely. Movies are one of the best ways to learn English, because you hear real conversation, natural accent, and daily life phrases.
Yes, but in the beginning, it can be difficult.
True. So, here is a simple method. Step 1. Watch with subtitles in your language. Step 2. Watch again with English subtitles. Step 3. Watch without subtitles.
Wow, that is a great learning method, step by step. Arad, do you remember a movie scene that made you emotional?
Yes, in The Lion King, when the father dies, it broke my heart.
Yes, that scene is unforgettable. Sometimes movies give us deep emotional lessons, without saying many words.
True. Silence in movies sometimes speaks louder than dialogue.
Movies teach us about love, friendship, dreams, fear, hope.
Yes, every movie carries a message.
And sometimes, movies help us escape reality, even if it is just for 2 hours.
Yes, movies are a beautiful escape and a beautiful teacher.
So, dear listener, we hope this slow conversation helped you learn English comfortably.
And we encourage you to watch movies in English. Enjoy the story, enjoy the learning. Maya, do you know something? Sometimes, movies teach us lessons. Lessons we never learn in school.
Yes, I agree. Some movies touch our heart and change the way we think.
For example, the movie The Pursuit of Happiness. It teaches us that life is hard, but we should never stop trying.
Yes, that movie was beautiful. It showed pain, struggle, and hope, and in the end, success happened because he did not give up.
Maya, do you think movies are only entertainment, or Do they also shape our thinking?
I think movies shape our thinking. Sometimes movies open our mind. They show new cultures, new emotions, new possibilities.
Yes, I agree. Some movies are like teachers. They speak to our heart.
Exactly, and some movies help us escape stress. When we are sad, a funny movie makes us relax.
True. Comedy movies are like medicine. They make us smile, and we forget worries for some time.
Yes, and that is beautiful, because laughter is also part of life.
Ma, which movie genre helps you the most emotionally?
I think I learn the most from inspirational movies. They remind me that failure is not the ending.
Failure. Yes, movies teach us that heroes also fall. They get rejected, they fail, they cry, but they try again.
And that is why heroes inspire us, not because they are perfect, but because they continue, even when everything gets difficult.
Ma, can I say something?
Of course, say whatever you feel.
Sometimes, we try to be strong like movie heroes, but inside, we are scared.
That is true. Even if we look confident, we can still feel fear inside.
But movies also teach us that courage does not mean the absence of fear. Courage means acting even when fear exists.
Smile softly, yes, and that is a powerful lesson.
So Maya, after talking about movies so much, I want to ask you one last question.
Tell me.
If your life was a movie, what would be the title?
Soft thinking pause, maybe.
That is beautiful.
Thank you. And what about you, Arjun?
My movie title would be Learning, Living, and Trying Again.
Smiles warmly, perfect, because your story is full of effort and heart.
And maybe, one day, someone will watch our life and learn something.
Yes, maybe someone will say, these two people taught us to grow, to dream, and to never give up.
Maya, thank you for this conversation. It felt peaceful, slow, meaningful.
Thank you too, Arjun. Talking with you always feels like watching a beautiful movie.